Welcome everyone to the final episode of this mini-series. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, that'd be fantastic. What I'm going to go through on this final episode is what we learnt so far, the 4 techniques. So you had Pak Sao, okay, Tan Sao, Bong Sao, okay, and then Lop Sao, okay, from here. So the idea is keywords progression. So we isolated the defensive technique, okay, doing it all traditionally, getting the technique right. Now the next stage is going to be the attack. Okay, so the idea in any situation is to attack. The defensive motions is if you're caught off guard or your attack fails, then you have to go into a defence of some sort. Okay, but the idea is to attack first. Okay, that's very important. So the progression, we're going to go from defensive. Now in this video, we're going to go defence to an attack or attack at the same time simultaneously. Okay. So, first technique was Pak Sao. So we learnt this. Okay. So what I want you to do, the whole episode is going to be, when you do it at home, I want you to do 10 on the left side, and then I want you to switch to a Baizhong stance on the right side and do exactly the same. Okay, so that will keep it going through the whole video. So Pak Sao, I'm going to go from the left guard here. Okay, the front hand, Pak Sao. Okay. And then from there, straight punch straight through the middle and attack. So 1, 2. Okay, Pak Sao here is the same. You're doing exactly the same as you would here. Okay, but you're already on a 45. You're not wasting motion here. It's not a parry. Going from here, and then rather than grabbing or anything, I want you to Pak Sao and then straight through the middle. Okay, that's it. 1, 2. 2, yeah, then get back into guard, and then we'll switch it to the right. Okay, so Pak, punch, yeah, Pak, punch. Don't worry too much about speed, just get the technique right. Okay, Pak, punch, and that's it. Next technique was Tan Sao. So we learnt the Tan Sao through the centre. This is the Tan Sao in one motion and punch. Okay, there is no different. You think, oh, it looks to the side, but if you look here, okay, keeping the slight gap from the video you learnt from before, all we're doing is this is here. It's exactly the same. All you're doing is you're turning, okay, and that's where the punch comes in. Back 2, yeah, 3, okay, and then you're going to do exactly the same again on the other side. So 1. If you want to keep checking, get the technique right, guys, go back to here, okay, and all you do is keep it there and just switch, okay, and keep practicing that. And that's it. So 10 of those on the left, 10 on the right. Okay, then it was Bong Sao, okay? Bong Sao here, Bong Sao here. So, left guard, okay, if you're following along at home, okay? So left Bong Sao, and we're going to grab and chop. Left, grab and chop. Remember guys, I'll repeat what I said at the start. It's only when, like I explained on the other video, it's only when you're forced going to a defensive manoeuvre, you'd use these. Okay, otherwise the whole goal is to attack first. Okay, if you're caught off guard or something, then you go into attack straight after. Okay, so Bong Sao, grab and chop. Don't start getting too quick because it ends up looking all sloppy. You might as well be doing all this crap. So Bong Sao, chop the neck. Yeah, it's best to do this in front of a mirror. Okay, Bong. Then you can aim effectively with your own neck. Okay, so that's it. Bong. Chop, yeah, and speed it up after, right? Okay, and then you can start speeding it up, okay, and exaggerating that, okay. Then you can do exactly the same on the right hand side. Okay, yeah. Final technique was Lop Sao. Now I taught like this, exaggerating what you want to do. Don't worry too much as long as you get that pulling motion. So again, from the left stance. Going to turn, do this Lop Sao, which is pulling. That's the idea I want you to get. Not worry too much about technique on this one, because remember you're grabbing someone's hand. Is the thumb there? Is the thumb there? Finger here. It don't matter, right? But I want you to get the pulling motion right down. So pull here, punch through the centre, and then this hand, okay, turn, boom, yeah. Lop Sao, straight through. No waiting, it's just again one motion, and then turn your trunk, boom, yeah. but go through it slow first. So turn, hit, hit. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 2, back to guard. 1, 2. Go on the right side. So from here, okay, 1. So you focus on getting through the centre, not start straying out here. This isn't coming out here. We're going to get straight, direct, okay, and efficient. And from here, yeah, straight through the centre. So, left side and right hand side, 10 of each, okay? Like I said guys, progression, okay, that's the key word. So from this, you go on to partner work, and then hitting the pads, okay? And then changing up these combinations, because it's endless, okay? And then the end result, really, is being able to pull it off in live sparring, okay? I'm not going to say pull it off in a fight, because you shouldn't be in a fight, but that's the idea. Being able to pull this off when you need it, but you cannot do that if you don't have this progression. If you go straight in to sparring and think you're going to pull off a perfect bomb down the chop, and then perfect palm strike, okay, and then here and all this, okay, yeah, ain't going to happen. So you need to learn this progression. Like I said guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And there'll be another series coming up soon on different topics. But until then guys, train well, train smart and train hard, okay? Until then guys, I'll see you then.